but still I stick around. But I know nothing's gonna change. I'm such a tool, you knew I would never get it through, and you were right. I'll still play a part in their game. I went to therapy, but that shit never helped me. I still get consumed in my own rage. I took a couple drugs and all they did was sober me up. I see through this fucking haze. Don't know why I still get faith in your matrix. Fuck the system, fuck creation, fuck the slave shit. I'll die alone, I love this death and rebirth cycle. I'll come back and make it rain. I'll come back and make it rain. I'll come back and make it rain. I'll die alone, I love this death and rebirth cycle. I'll come back and make it